Hello and welcome back to the Code channel. In today's video, we're exploring how to find late RFQs in Odoo 19. This is a really useful feature to help you identify which purchase requests haven't been confirmed on time, so you can follow up, take action, and avoid delays. Odoo 19 makes it easier than ever, with a set of new smart buttons and quick filters. Let me show you how it works.
First, let's open the Purchase app. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a row of smart buttons that help you track different order statuses, like New, RFQ Sent, Late RFQ, Not Acknowledged, and Late Receipt. These buttons act like quick filters and give you a high-level view of what's going on with your orders. Let's start by clicking on Late RFQ. Odoo automatically applies a filter to show you all RFQs where the order deadline has passed, but the order still hasn't been confirmed. You'll notice the order deadline column is highlighted in red, clearly showing which ones are overdue. This makes it easy to follow up with vendors or take action on delayed requests. Next, let's click on the Not Acknowledged Smart button. This filter shows purchase orders that were already confirmed internally, but the vendor hasn't formally acknowledged them yet. This feature is especially helpful if your organization requires vendors to confirm POS before processing deliveries. Again, no need to build any filters manually, Odoo handles it for you. If you want even more control, open the drop-down menu where you can apply multiple filters at once. And for better visibility, you can group the results by vendor or buyer or order date using the Group By options. This gives you a clear picture of which vendors are consistently late or which team member is responsible for each order. And that's it. With the new smart buttons and filters, you can easily track late RFQs, stay on top of unacknowledged purchase orders, and keep your purchasing operations running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.